I don't like to wander. Ryan gets angry when we wander.
You riding today?
Yeah, with my no transmission.
New transmission?
No transmission.
Oh.
Third gear went out.
So you brought it for parts? Yeah, that's what I did.
We couldn't get a baby for that long.
Third gear went out?
Third gear. In third gear, it sounds like the crank's about to explode.
Awesome.
Where it's just grinding. There was all kinds of
You jinxed it when you were at Mason and you were like, that's been the only bike that I've had that will keep running.
I went to Windy Ridge and was doing like a 30-minute moto with John Weaver. And it started sounding funny.
Man, that's horrible.
Well, I thought it was just this shifter shaft still. And that's why I asked how fast you could get it. And I was cleaning it and everything. I was like, man, it's not even leaking. And in third gear, all the oil just starts pouring out right here.
Wow. What'd you do? Hit a rock or something? Yeah, I know. Yeah, whatever works.
It finally started to chip off. Got everything off. And put some new on it.
Still want to get a new KTM? Yeah? I mean, what is this, a 14?
Yeah.
You've got a 14 that the transmission already went out in, and you want to buy another orange one.
No problem at all.
Girls are out on the track. They've warmed up. They went over riding position. They've been practicing the attack position, practicing standing up for 2 laps. Super cool. The weather is fantastic. It's like 65 degrees and breezy. Track's in good shape. Everybody's been nice and cool. Yeah, it's such a nice day. I'm a little bummed out that I'm not riding, but I would have had to stay from 9 to 4 o'clock before I even could have started. And we really couldn't ask anybody to babysit for that long, so I'm going to be missing out today, but maybe get into something tomorrow, if not next weekend for sure. Oh man, I wasn't recording.